Welcome everyone to Wonder Garden. I'm thrilled to meet you again in today's video. If you're looking for a natural, safe, and highly effective solution to keep your orchid pots lush green, develop strong roots, and especially bloom year-round, you're in the right place. Today, I'll share with you an incredibly simple organic fertilizer recipe that's easy to make at home, but delivers surprisingly effective results for orchids. With familiar ingredients, we'll create a mixture that helps orchids recover quickly, stimulates robust root growth, and nourishes both shoots and flowers. Can you guess what the main ingredient is today? Don't look away. Let's get started. To make this special fertilizer, I'll use an onion. Onions aren't just a common kitchen ingredient, they're also packed with essential nutrients for plants, like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which help plants grow vigorously from root to tip. In particular, the sulfur compounds in onions have natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping protect your beloved orchids from common diseases. Where are you watching this video from? Leave a comment to let me know. I'd love to welcome you from all over the world. Additionally, onion extract stimulates the development of new roots, making orchids stronger and sturdier day by day. I'll use half an onion like this. Store the other half in the fridge for the next fertilizing session. Now, I'll place the prepared onion in a clean jar to start the extraction process. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Next, I'll add 500 milliliters of boiling water to the jar. Hot water will help extract the nutrients from the onion as efficiently as possible. Then, we'll cover the jar tightly and let it steep overnight, giving the onion's compounds enough time to dissolve into the water. After one night, the onion extract will look like this. Now, I'll open the jar and proceed to filter, keeping only the onion extract. We won't use the onion solids. Next, I'll add 2 liters of clean water to dilute the solution, making it easier for the plant to absorb nutrients and avoid nutrient shock. Step 1. Base watering. In the first method, pour the mixture into a watering can. Water this liquid fertilizer into each orchid pot. This natural fertilizer contains essential vitamins and minerals that help orchids grow healthily. The compounds in onions have antibacterial and antifungal properties, protecting orchids from diseases. Onion-infused water can stimulate root growth, helping the plant absorb water and nutrients more effectively. For those new to growing who don't know when the plant needs watering, don't worry. Look at the color of the roots. When the medium is dry and the roots turn silvery white, that's when the plant needs water. Watering with onion water makes leaves greener and enhances photosynthesis. It helps the plant resist environmental stresses, such as high temperatures or low humidity. It maintains soil moisture and improves fertility, creating favorable conditions for root development. It enhances the activity of beneficial soil microorganisms, improving the overall health of the plant. Not only for orchids, the nutrients from this onion extract are also very suitable for anthuriums. Anthuriums are highly susceptible to fungal diseases in roots and leaves, so the sulfur compounds in onions effectively prevent brown spots and root rot, common issues in humid environments. Additionally, the potassium and phosphorus content supports consistent blooming, making anthurium flowers more vibrant, long-lasting, and glossy. Step 2. Leaf wiping. While waiting for the plant to absorb the fertilizer water, I'll use some of the solution to wipe the leaves of the orchids. I use a soft cotton pad, lightly soaked in the solution, and wipe both sides of the leaves evenly. Wiping leaves is a crucial but often overlooked care step. When we wipe leaves regularly, we not only clean the dust on the leaf surface, which hinders photosynthesis, but also help the plants absorb nutrients directly through the leaf epidermis. The onion solution contains beneficial nutrients like flavonoids, organic sulfur, and powerful antioxidants. These compounds have antibacterial, antiseptic, and antifungal effects, effectively preventing diseases on the leaf surface. For orchids, healthy glossy leaves enhance photosynthesis, promoting faster growth and, in particular, helping the plant have enough strength to nourish buds and flowers during the blooming phase. Additionally, wiping leaves allows you to closely inspect the plant's condition, detecting early signs of disease or pest damage for timely treatment. Clean, glossy, healthy leaves are a sign of a well-cared-for orchid, ready for the next vibrant blooming cycle. Anthuriums have large, thick, glossy leaves, so regular leaf wiping is a fantastic way to maintain their natural, lush, shiny beauty. When leaves are clean, respiration and transpiration occur more efficiently, keeping the plant fresh and healthy. The onion solution's antibacterial and antifungal properties protect leaves from common threats like leaf spots, mold, or bacteria. With gentle and consistent care like this, anthuriums will continue to grow vigorously, produce new glossy leaves, and maintain vibrant green vitality year-round. After 20 minutes of soaking, I'll gently lift the plant out of the pot. At this point, the base and roots have absorbed enough nutrients, and the natural antibacterial compounds from the onion have helped clean and protect the root system from harmful fungi and bacteria. Step 3. Misting. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and thoroughly mist the top and underside of the leaves. In step 3, I'll pour the diluted onion solution into a spray bottle and mist evenly over the entire orchid. Misting allows nutrients to penetrate directly through the leaves, stem, and aerial roots, crucial parts for the plant's metabolism and development. Misting leaves enhances photosynthesis, keeping them fresh and healthy. The natural sulfur compounds in onions provide antibacterial and antifungal protection, safeguarding the plant from pests and diseases. Meanwhile, the potassium and phosphorus in the solution stimulate bud and new root development. You should do this step in the early morning or late afternoon to give the plant time to absorb nutrients optimally without heat shock. Onion-infused water contains many vitamins and minerals, providing nutrients from leaves to roots. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid growing tips. It's wonderful to have you as a companion. After applying these methods, my orchids have become noticeably fresher. The leaves are glossy green, lightly moist as if bathed in pure dew. The plant seems revitalized, with plump leaves standing strong and vibrant. However, an important note when misting is to let the plant dry naturally in the shade. Avoid exposing the plant to direct sunlight right after misting, as water droplets on the leaves can cause leaf burn due to a lens effect. The ideal location for your orchid pot is a spot with moderate airflow, which helps reduce excessive humidity and prevents fungal diseases effectively. You can place the pot near a window or in an area with gentle breezes. Now, let's see the results after caring for orchids with natural fertilizer. Roots will grow vigorously and uniformly. With adequate moisture and nutrients, roots will appear glossy and free from rot or damage. If you encounter any difficulties while growing orchids, don't hesitate to comment and let me know. I'm always ready to help you grow healthy orchids that bloom abundantly. Proper care and ideal environmental conditions not only stimulate root development, but also promote excellent bud formation. Buds will be healthy and capable of developing into flowers. What methods have you found to revive weak orchids and care for your plants? Share your thoughts and suggestions with me. Finally, join me in admiring the vibrant blooming orchid garden today. Each flower is like a gentle response from nature, rewarding the care and love you've given. Remember, when you care for plants with all your heart, they'll feel it and repay you with the most beautiful blooms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wonder Garden to stay updated with the next recipes. See you in the next video.